Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight some important parts of a document in the Google Docs mobile. So first, just open the document that you want. For example, I'm going to open this. Then after you open, don't forget to click on the pencil icon here at the bottom right corner. And then go to where you want to emphasize or highlight the sentences, for example. Okay, so for example, I'm going to highlight this part. So just block the part that you want to highlight. For example, enter here. And after that, click on this highlighter icon at the bottom, this one. Then just choose the color. For example, I'm going to use green. Click on that. And you can see now the sentences, the sentence that I chose is now highlighted by the green color. Okay, so that's very simple, but I hope this will be helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.